Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're on Marketing Engine, Marketing Mastery. Both are interchangeable. Marketing Engine is our community for Marketing Mastery, but I wanted to come talk to you guys today about why personal stories matter in marketing success, because I think that gets lost in the translation, if I'm being honest. So I wanted to bring that to you and kind of show you guys the way it works, right? So have you ever wondered why some brands just stick and they stay with you? Why their messages feel so personal, so real, and they make you trust them like instantly? Well, I'll tell you the secret. It's personal stories. And I wanted to show you today how sharing your story can be the key to your marketing success, right? So here's the thing. People don't connect with businesses. Did you catch that? They don't connect with businesses. They connect with people. Sharing your story, your challenges, and your wins, even your messy moments, even your non-perfect videos, all those things make you relatable and builds trust. And trust? That's what's going to turn followers into loyal customers and loyal customers into super fans, which is what you want, right? So think about it just for a second. How many times have you chosen a brand because you felt like you knew the person behind it, right? Being able to tell that story and know that person is incredible. So sharing your story isn't oversharing. It's letting your audience see the human side of you, the human side of your brand, right? So how do you use your story in marketing? Well, let's break it down into like 3 simple steps, okay? So number 1 is identify your why. Why did you start your business? What is the serious, deep purpose behind it? Maybe you wanted to spend more time with your family, or overcome a personal struggle, or help others, or make money online, or there's bunches of reasons, right? So what makes your why and your story unique? So 2, share the journey, show the journey, right? Don't just share the end result, share the process, the transformation, right? People love seeing the ups and downs because it reminds them that success isn't always perfect. Success is never final and failure is never fatal. And that's okay. Okay? Step number 3, tie it back to your audience. This is a solid key you guys need to master. Make your story about them. You ever been sitting somewhere and you think that you're like, wow, do I have a camera in my house? Because that's like my story, right? With a few pieces here and there that are changed, right? But you're like, whoa, that's so me. So show how your experience can help solve their problem or transform or inspire them to take action, right? That's the whole goal behind marketing. So let me give you a quick example. Like when I started Mama Bear Marketing, I was a mom of 9, juggling life and trying to make ends meet. I knew the struggle of putting myself last. That story connected with moms like me because they saw themselves in my journey. And now I'm helping them build financial freedom, stories, their businesses, different things that they want to do in their life, making more than just paychecks connect, right? Just like I did. Your story can be someone else's inspiration. So don't be afraid to share it. That's why we started Mama Bear Marketing, but that's why I partnered with people like Marketing Engine, Marketing Mastery, to give people that true, authentic ability to grow, to really do what they want to do in their story, right? So your story isn't just a nice to have thing. It's really your secret weapon, y'all. So when you share it, you're not just selling a product or service, you're building a relationship. And relationships are what drive success in marketing, right? Your story is your superpower, so use it. So what's your story? I want to know. I challenge you to share it in your next post or your next video or maybe an email. And if you're ready to take your storytelling and your marketing to that next level, check out Marketing Engine, Marketing Mastery. We're here for you guys. That's what we do. I'll teach you exactly how to craft stories that connect and convert, okay? There's somewhere around here, depending upon what platform you're watching this on, is probably a subscribe, like, follow, share button, right? Turning a bell on somewhere. But please do that, right? Wait for the next video. I'm going to be providing you tips to grow your audience, to really share the true you. So you're going to probably be hearing from myself and my other collaborators in Marketing Engine and Marketing Mastery. And you'll get to know them over time too. But remember, your story, just like mine, just like theirs, is your secret weapon. So have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.